how to turn on audio monitoring in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app and then tap on the control button. Next, tap on the settings icon. In camera settings, we then scroll down and tap on camera assistant. From here, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on audio monitoring. Tap on the toggle to turn on or switch off this feature. Here, if you turn it on, you can monitor the audio while shooting video and play the sound being recorded through connected Bluetooth, HDMI, or USB headphones or speakers. So with your headphones or ear speakers, you can monitor what the audio will sound like while you are recording. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.